So, I'm here with LG, and they have also an LG Smart TV. So Neil, you're working in Korea. There's two innovations. First, the remote control. Show me the remote control.
So
Why would that be interesting?
Yeah, so this is a Magic Motion remote control, and as you can see, it acts almost like a mouse on screen. The reason why we've decided to...
You could just point it just like a Wii. Wait a second, where is my mouse? Yeah, just like a Wii, you can just move the mouse and it just works like a Wii thing. Okay, so that's nice, and then you can scroll through. Everything.
Yeah, absolutely. We realise that going forward, TVs are getting more complicated, and a simple up, down, left, right is not quite sufficient.
Okay, so that's the first innovation, and a remote control with a motion detector in there.
Sure.
What's the second innovation?
The second innovation is we've been working with a company called Plex to...
Plex. And this is the website, plexapp.com. What does that do?
It allows us to connect our PC and bring not just local content, but also web content through the PC to the TV. It's an open platform.
So show me something which is now...
Okay,
I get a 10-foot user interface from a website.
Okay, so the first thing I'll show you is this. This is just a list of files that we had stored on our PC, but Plex has taken that list of files and it's converted them into this rich user interface with...
Wow, so I basically have a list here. These are only some files which are on my computer, and the artwork and the description, it finds, the Plex app finds that.
That's right, yeah.
It goes out to a site,
website,
to Wikipedia site to get information.
Pulls the relevant information.
Beautiful.
And then displays it like that.
Okay,
but
so
using
that's
the
nice.
same technology, we can go to any website with video and pull out the relevant video information. So if I go here, Empora is a good example. Empora is an action.
So we're now looking live at a website,
that's right,
which is being translated by the Plex technology,
right?
And that happens on that computer there.
It's running in the background on here, yeah.
Yeah. So you have a little server program on the computer, and it creates this Empora website, and it makes a list, and it finds all kinds of information with that. So any information, any website can be translated into a 10-foot user interface.
Exactly right. Yes. And LG, one of the reasons why we've been working with them is because this is an open platform, and users can create their own script files to add any web content to their PC.
Yep.
When they do that, LG also gets the opportunity to use that same script file in our netcast service for the mass market.
Which will just show up for everybody. So everybody can go to nos.nl, marketing facts, and get a 10-foot user interface, because somebody in the some consumer wrote a little script to make that possible.
The open community, the power of the open community.
And there's hundreds of websites which are already converted.
That's right.
And they're also converted to an iPad and to an iPhone, and they also will be converted to an LG. When will this technology come to the market, Neil?
I expect it will be in the next generation of products, probably launching around April.
Okay, Neil, thank you.